Okay, fine. So, hi guys. Today we are going to practice the fourth paper. These are the answers. So, the first question is simplify 5 plus 203. So, how to simplify this? It's very easy. You can see here they haven't given the denominator. So, what we have to do is, first of all, we have to mark the denominator. We'll take that as 1. Now, both the denominators are not same. So, that means we have to find the LCM. If one denominator is 1, directly we can take that to 3. Okay, huh? So, here listen, 5 over 1 plus 2 over 3. Now it's easy for us to multiply this by 3. 5 3s are 15 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Now you can see both the denominators are same. So we can add the numerators directly. 15 plus 2, the answer is 17 over 3. And if you want, we can convert this into mixed numbers. You might have remember we practiced same kind of questions previously. So if 1 kilogram of tea leaves costs 720, what is the price of 500 grams? So 500 grams means just we have to divide this by 2, because 1 kilogram means that's equals to 1000 grams. So 1000 gram is 720 means 500 gram means just half of that. So 720 will divide that by 2. So the answer is 360 grams. Now another easy question, you can say find 3 over 4 of 500 rupees. Of 500 means 3 over 4 of, what is this, of represents? Of represents the multiplication and multiply by 500. So now we can simplify this easily. How? Yes, 4 to 500. In 500 how many 4s are there? 125. If you want we can divide and see. Now we multiply them. 3 5s are, that's 15. 1 remaining. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 and 3 1s are 3. So the answer is 375 rupees. So this one is related to binomial expression. Just check whether your answer is correct or not. X plus 5 into 2x plus 3. So what we have to do is, first we have to multiply the first term by the second bracket. So the second bracket is 2x plus 3. And now the second term, that's plus 5, should multiply by again the second bracket, 2x plus 3. Okay, so now we can simplify this. X into 2x is 2x squared plus x into 3 is 3x plus 5 into 2 is 10x plus 5 3s are, that's 15. 2x squared plus, now you can see these two are likely terms. So we can simplify them. 3x plus 10x. So the answer is 13x plus 15. Okay, now this question is related to interest. What is the total interest that Lima Shah has to pay in 5 months? As well as they have given the interest rate in months as well. Monthly simple interest rate is 5%, and now they are asking us to find the simple interest. Sorry, the total interest. So how to find out the interest? You all knew the formula P, T, R. And then the substitution of P, they have given that as 6000, and the time duration they have given there as 5. Here 5 months. So 5 months means just we'll take the time duration as 5. And the rate is how much? Just 5 over 100. Okay, right. Now we can solve this easily. Double zeros to double zero can cancel. 5 5s are 25. And 25 into 6, 150. And one more 0 is there. 150, 10. So the answer is 1500 rupees. So now how to find the first two terms of these sequence? 5n minus 2. Okay, right. So we can do like this, 5n minus 2 and again 5n minus 2. So to find out the first term, what we have to do, just we have to substitute 1 for this n. So 5 into 1 is 5. 5 minus 2, that's 3. And here to find out the second term, we'll substitute 2. So 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. So these are the first two terms, 3 and 8. Okay, so here they are asking us to find the area of this, right? It's a good question. So how many polygons are here? You can see there are 2 shapes, 1 2. The first one is very easy. It's just a square. So how to find the area of square? We can write like this: area equals length into breadth, or else square of one side. Okay, fine. So we'll just multiply 21 into 21. If you multiply, you will get the answer as 441 centimeter squared. So area is equals to length into breadth, 21 into 21. So if you multiply, you will get 441 centimeters squared. So how to find the area of this sector? Area of the sector. So to find the area of sectors, we can apply this formula, 5r squared into theta over 360. So 5, the substitution of 5 is 22 over 7. And they have given the radius. The radius is 21. You can see these two sides are same. So the radius is 21. 21 into 21. 21 into 21. And how much is that theta? So the value of the theta is 60. 60 divided by 360. Now we can solve this easily. 7 to 21 if we cancel 3. 60 to 360 if we cancel 6. Okay, so 3 and 6, yes, we can cancel them directly. 3 to 6 if we cancel 2. Okay, fine. And 2, just we'll write them down. 22 into 21 over 2. And again we can simplify this further. 2 to 22 if we cancel 11. So 11 into 21. So the answer is 231 centimeters squared. Now to find out the total, what we have to do, we have to add them both. Total area. 441 plus 231. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6. So 672 centimeter squared. I don't know whether you can remember this question. We practiced this before 2 weeks, right? So here, how to find the value of this how to find the value of this? So there are two methods. We can divide the midterm by 2. So 10 divided by 2, how much is that? That's 5. Or else we have to take the square root of the third term. So root of 25 is how much? Again 5. So that's the answer. So in this question they are saying like this: 4 men complete a work in 3 days. So 4 men complete a work in 3 days. How many days will be taken by 6 men to complete the same job? Okay, right. So for 4 men it takes about 3 days, means first of all we'll find for 1 man. So to find for 1 man, what should we want to do? We have to multiply them. So 4 3s are how much is that? 12. So that means for 1 person it takes about 12 days. So if 6 of them joins, means what we have to do to find for that, we have to divide this 12 by 6. So 12 divided by 6, the answer is 2. So just within 2 days they can complete the task. So now this time they are asking us to find the value of 2x squared minus y. So how to find out this? 2x squared minus y. So the substitution of x, they have given the substitution of x as minus 3. So minus 3 squared minus, and the value of y is how much? That's just 5. So minus 3 squared minus, first of all we have to simplify this. Minus squared is plus, and 3 squared is how much? 9. We don't need to mention that plus. 2 9s are 18, and 18 minus 5 is 13. Okay, an easy question. If x is an odd number between 0 and 10, so first we'll write all the elements. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, those are the odd numbers. And now they are asking the value of number of x. So number, how many elements are here? 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer is 5. Okay, so they are asking us to simplify this. We'll try to simplify. Log a, so log a, log, and here 20, and you can see all the bases are same, a. So if there is a plus sign, should multiply, and if there is a minus sign, then what we have to do? Yes, we have to divide by 15. Now we can solve this easily. 15 and 20, is there any common factors? Yes, they have a common factor. So what is a common factor here? It's 5. So how many 5s are here for 15? 3. So there are 3 5s, and for 20 how many 5s are there? Yes, 4. Now 3 to 24 also we can cancel, because 3 is a common factor. 3 to 24, so it's 8. 4 8s are how much is that? Yes, that's 32. That's all. So it's related to factors. It's very easy to factorize. So plus 15. So first of all we have to take the last term. It's plus 15, and now we have to factorize this. 1 15s are there, and is there any other factors? Yes, 3 5s. And here we got a plus sign, so we'll add them and see. 1 plus 15 is 16, and 3 plus 5 is 8. Yes, we got the mid value by 3 and 5. So it's better to use them both. X squared, 3x, 5x and plus 15. Now we divide this 8 into 2 parts. Okay, fine. So what are the most suitable signs to enter here? What's your idea? Okay, fine. So here listen, if we add 2 plus signs, plus means the answer should be in plus, but we have minus sign there. So what we have to do, it's better to write minus there. So minus 3 minus 5 is solved. Yes, we are getting this minus 8 as the answer. Okay, fine. So those are the most suitable signs. And now we'll pair it. So is there any common factors in the first pair? Yes, x. And if we take one x out, x minus, here also we have taken the x out, so 3 is remaining. And here it's better to take minus 5 out. So x minus into plus minus, and in 15 how many 5s are there? 3. So the final answer is x minus 3 and x minus 5. That's all. This is also a very easy question. You can see the perimeter of a square is 20 centimeter. The perimeter of the square is 20 centimeter means length of one side is how much? So the length of one side, to find out that we have to divide this 20 by 4. So 20 divided by 4, the answer is just 5 centimeter. That means the length of one side is 5 centimeter. Now can we find the area or not? Yes, area is equals length into breadth. So here the length is 5 and the breadth is how much? 5 again. So 5 5s are 25 centimeter squared. So that's the answer. So the last question of the day, write the gradient and the intercept. So how to find out the gradient and the intercept? So for that we have to subject this y first. To subject that y, I am going to divide them all by 3. So 3 to 3 we can cancel it. Y equals 2 over 3 x and plus 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. So 2 over 3 is what? The gradient, that means m sine, and here plus 3 is what? The intercept, that means sine c. So the gradient is 2 over 3 and the intercept is 3.